What's up YouTube, it's the Internet Income Ninja back with another video. I appreciate you stopping by this channel. Thank you so much. I just invite you to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share, because when you do so, you are increasing the chances of you seeing these videos. This allows you to be first in line whenever a hot make money online lead comes out, whether it be an app, methods, new tech, new ways of doing stuff to help you earn money online. Speaking of earning money online, I encourage you to check the links in the description below, because those links teach you how to start your own business earning $1,000 per day online working from home. You can earn $1,000 per day or more. You can grow and scale your business to an even bigger business if you already have one. You can also find links that take you to books that are free. You just pay for the shipping, and these books help you be the best that you can be in your online endeavors. Alright, now in this video I'm going to be reviewing a remote customer service representative role. Right, it's completely remote, work from home, and you will be working for a company called VIP Desk. However, this role will be allowing you to work with the luxury brand Chanel. You know that brand Chanel, there's only one Chanel, and you will be a customer service rep working with that brand for VIP Desk. Okay, now the description of this job states that the remote at-home Chanel customer service representative provides elevated customer service for Chanel's customers via all communications channels. That's phone, email, and chat. Dedicated to this exclusive brand, the remote Chanel customer service rep assists with all aspects of service across fashion, boutiques, watches, and fine jewelry, and e-commerce. The Chanel customer service rep assists customers in a courteous and professional manner that supports Chanel's brand standards, providing world-class customer service. This position provides an opportunity for growth through the acquisition of additional skills. The Chanel customer service representative begins with training for fashion and builds upon this foundation. Each new skill requires additional specialized formal training and certification. So about VIP Desk Connect. VIP Desk Connect is a growing outsourced customer care business. So BPO. So the BPO means business process outsourcing. So companies who want business processes done can outsource this function to companies like VIP Desk Connect. So with team members working remotely across the US, brands who place the customer experience at the center of their business choose to work with us. We're honored to be the customer service partner of choice for several of the world's iconic brands. No matter how leading edge our technology is, it will never replace the power of the one-to-one human connections we build. We are dedicated to building a culture of care for our team. We are on a mission to elevate the human experience and are seeking customer service professionals who embrace our company values, which are transparent, helpful, creative, flexible, and positive energy. Now your responsibilities will be convey energy, excitement, authenticity, and a deep appreciation for the timeless elegance of Chanel. Share enthusiasm for Chanel through love and romance of products. Utilize proactive and intuitive techniques to increase customer experience by providing suggestions for products. Retain deep knowledge of Chanel's products with the ability to convey features and benefits. Thrive in an environment with high performance standards. Communicate with clients and exhibit empathy. Apply high quality customer service guidelines and policies. Ability to exercise independent judgment and discretion. Embrace the commitment to customer service and nourish brand loyalty. So the skill level progression that they're looking for, it's phone for fashion, boutiques, and watches and fine jewelry. You'll email and phone for Chanel.com e-commerce, fragrance and beauty, and eyewear. You'll also chat for all lines of business. So you'll be on the phone, you'll be emailing, and you'll be on messaging or chat services. So the requirements: you should have a high school diploma or equivalent, customer service experience, contact center experience, superior verbal and written communication skills, excellent listening skills with the ability to demonstrate understanding of the customer's needs, strong problem solving, patience and empathy, positive attitude with a customer service orientation, detail oriented with a focus on quality and accuracy, ability to multitask, strong sense of urgency and commitment to excellence, able to type at least 35 words per minute with proper spelling and use of grammar, able to use effective and probing questioning and listening techniques to identify customer needs, curious, confident, and driven to find solutions to customer issues, able to learn and work independently and exhibit ownership as well as in a team environment. Savviness and experience with Microsoft products and cloud technology is essential as multiple systems are in use. Must have a home office environment, internet connection, USB headset, and a computer system that meets VIP Desk Connect policies and maintenance requirements, including system upgrades as applicable. You should currently reside in Arizona, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Maryland, Nevada, New Mexico, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Virginia, or Wisconsin. Able to successfully pass a credit, criminal, and employment reference security check. Now, the preferred qualifications that they want are experience with e-commerce retail, experience with luxury brands, genuine passion for fashion, fragrance, cosmetics, and luxury goods, experience providing live chat customer support. Now, for training, new team members will attend training remotely via webcams for secure, noise-free, distraction-free home offices that meet our requirements. Training classes are held for 3 weeks, Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, they strongly encourage you to check if your home office computer and connection meet their requirements by visiting this link. And in compliance with Colorado's Equal Pay for Equal Work Act, we are disclosing the compensation or a range thereof for roles that will be or could be performed in Colorado. So the compensation range for this position is $18 to $22 per hour. Okay. Actual compensation may vary and will be based on various factors such as the candidate's qualifications, skills, competencies, and proficiency for the role. VIP Desk Connect offers comprehensive benefits, which may include health insurance, life and AD&D insurance, paid time off, flexible spending accounts, and access to other benefit programs. There's eligibility for VIP Desk Connect benefits is determined and under the terms of the applicable VIP Desk Connect benefits plan at a person's date of hire. Okay, so that is it. If you are into fashion, cosmetics, jewelry, and you genuinely love those things and are into Chanel, hit this button and that takes you to the application page. Fill that out and wait for a response from an authorized source, either VIP Desk. Yeah, Chanel won't be contacting you, VIP Desk will. So you either watch this video, once you click the link, click apply now because you already watched the video, or you can read through all this, and after reading through the requirements and qualifications and so forth, then you can hit apply now. That's it from me today. Don't forget to check the links in the description below so you can start your own business. Chanel is a business owned by someone and then everybody else works for them or shops from them, aka they spend their money. Why not be a boss who gets and earns money while people spend their money with you? To do that, check the links in the description below today for the best ways, best tools, best tips to earn money online. Thanks so much for watching, and I encourage you to hit that subscribe button just like this, smash that notification bell, then like the video, comment on the video, share the video with everyone you know, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Peace.